You are looking for how to buy shares of Autozi Internet Technology Global Limited. Autozi is an internet technology company focused on connected automotive solutions, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AZI. This guide is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify the account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can purchase shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AZI to find Autozi Internet Technology Global Limited. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right share. Verify the company name and NASDAQ listing before moving to the buy screen. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next trading session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the order can be completed. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the platform link and more resources, please check the description below.